Welcome to Motorport. Dito kami sa Motorport kung saan ay graduation at recognition ni Darren at ni Ken. Lapit lang pala ka na dito, Ken. Rice Terraces, napakalapit lang ngayon. No?
Terraces ba yan?
Rice Terraces.
School pala yan? Ano yung school? Ang malaki ba yun kung gano'n school yan?
Ay, public school yan, for sure.
May mga grade.
Kung nagtakaw sa Teprina, ayan ang kakalabasan. Di ba? Darren, nasaan ka na? Pagkatulog mo kanina.
Wala pang kita dito. Tapos dito na sa kanyo.
Oh, di ba? Wala pang ina. Dito na kami, Darren.
Ang traffic ko. Mamaya traffic na yan.
Mamaya traffic na yan, Darren. O kasi umalis ka na dyan ng 10 o'clock. Huwag mo nang paabuti ng 11. Mainit naman din sa may grotto. Wala dong silungan. May silungan. Kaso sa puno lang yun. Tumpuhan ka na lahat. Galing nila Costa yung iba dun eh.
Oo, kasi natin yung
Ako.
Malas sila pag may nakatayo
Buntis.
sila doon.
Ganda.
Sakura.
Sakura. Sakura. Uy, Sakura tayo. You know? Sakura. Yun. Naka-front cam ako. Tingnan ko nga mamaya kung maganda sa edit mamaya. Dura ang puto. Si Boy, hanggang ngayon Ken, Boy dura ka pa. Oo nga ako. Yan, gelid. Gelid. Lakad. Nakamontage na naman si Ken. Highway nga. Kabilang side. Aga naman natin Ken. Loyalty award ka nga, Ken. Loyalty award goes to. Masyado kang maaga eh.
Saan ang harap niya?
Saan ang harap niyan, Ken? Wala, kami pa lang dito yung ano. Nasa atin natin susi eh. Ken, labas mo yung susi. Masyado kang maaga. O ano? Wala. Wala ako. Sa loob, ay no. May card na nga yung isa eh. Card tuloy invitation. Ayun, yun. Ayan, pasok na. Una na kayo, una na. Una na. Oo nga. Dalawa naman talaga available eh. Yun o. Oh. Hi guys. Ayan na si Senator Bongo. Yun o. Ayan na si Bongo. Ayan na aga na si Bongo. Ang aga-aga ni Dodong. Diyan ka mag-selfie. Yan. Tayo lang pala dito ang tao. Huwag mong subukan, tangina mo. Subukan mo lang. Patay ka sa akin. Na si Padre Pio, sensya na. Napamura ko. Ayan na siya. Huwag kang titingin sa kabila. Nandun si Bongo. Bongo. Ayan na si Bongo.
Pag magsasalita ka dyan sa gusto ko ano lang.
Kain tatlo.
Bakit mamaya pa? Iba naman mamaya.
Oo nga. Moment yan eh.
Kasi kayong tatlo.
Hi guys.
Wait, parang ayusin yung smile. Uy, si Andre, dumitingin dito. Mahihain talaga.
Mahihain talaga, Ken. Hindi ka mahihain, huwag ako, Ken. Huwag nga ako, Ken. Hindi ka mahihain, Ken. Huwag ako.
Bagay.
Say cheese. Cheese. Nakita yung gilid mo, Ken. Cheese.
Huwag po niyo parang ngayon, oh. Oo,
Pasaway ng batang ko.
Oh.
Ready? Para full body. Yan. Ayan. Mais ka. And isa pa close up.
Puro unlog.
Sir Magda.
Gremio Christopher G. with his parent. Hagan Jonathan Green P. with his parent. Pedrosa Justin Kurt M. with his parent. Rino John Derrick with his parent. Royles Kent Andre M. with his parent. Silat Jamie Q. with his parents. Talyon Ninyong Carl G. with his parents. Let us now proceed with Great and Higay Girls, starting with our friendly librarian is Keziah Gonzalez, and our hardworking and dedicated school president, Pastor Vicente Oviedo Jr., together with his entire better half, Mrs. Jemima A. Dina, our school directors, together with our guest speaker this morning, Dr. James Tugalip, Public Schools District Supervisor. Please give them a round of applause, please. champion in junior high school basketball. Raven Andrew Flores, Loyalty Awardee, Athlete of the Year, Inter-School Champion in Junior High School Basketball Boys. Riquel D. Gores, Loyalty Awardee. Christopher G. Gremion, Outstanding Performance in Arts, Loyalty Awardee, Awesome Artist Awardee. Ken Andre M. Roynes, Loyalty Awardee, Athlete of the Year, Inter-School Champion in Junior High School Volleyball in Junior High School Basketball Boys. Nino Gita Leon, Loyalty Awardee, Athlete of the Year, San Lisa Champion for Volleyball Junior High School Boys, City Champion in Junior High School Volleyball Boys, Verao Volleyball Boys Champion, Palalong Pambansa Delegate.
Tapos na rin yung recognition ni Ken Ken. Bale, inabot ako ng lamig dito dahil hinihintay ko lang yung pagpasok ni Darren sa kanyang graduation. So ngayon ay hindi lamig, sobrang lamig dito sa lugar na to. Nakauwi na sa Deprina at si Ken Ken. So tingnan natin yung ni Darren, mga highlights naman. Grabe na lamig ko, kaya nahihirapan ako ng pagsakit. So sana makapasa ako na payagan ako patingin ko pa pwede pa naman.
Miss Cyril Care, and Miss Marianne Galera. Our talented and patient grade 2 Colossians advisors, Miss Maria Veronica Po and Miss Gina Lynn Cayo. Our gentle and cooperative grade 3 emissions advisors, Miss Sherry Ann Dandan and Miss Jenny Tacho. Our adaptable and persistent grade 4 Galatians advisors, Miss Carmela de los Santos and Mrs. Concepcion Mahinay. Our patient and caring grade 5 Thessalonians advisors, Miss Julia Clarice Serinas and Mr. Melchor Bernardo. Our devoted and talented grade 6 Corinthians advisors, Miss Sheila Bunagan and Miss Geraldine Brusel. Our enthusiastic, dynamic, cooperative, and skillful grade 7 advisors, Miss Donna Belardo, Miss Jenna Abarino, Mr. Marlon De Diosa, and Mr. Jevin Victora. Our competent, persistent, considerate, and supportive grade 8 advisors, Miss Leniel Sales, Miss Manny De La Cruz, Miss Irish Lee Basic, and Miss Rose Bonkinky. Our versatile, devoted, inspiring, and understanding grade 9 advisors, Miss Giselle Borja, Miss Shaina Perez, Mr. Jan Paul Arsenio, and Miss Jocelyn Dahay. Our helpful, competent, and stunning grade 10 advisors, Mrs. Venus De Guzman, Miss Lady Lynn Sabado, and Mrs. Kimberly Pancho Espadas. Our soft-spoken grade 11 Habakuk advisor, Miss Mary Rose Inocencio. Our kind-hearted grade 11 Nehemiah advisor, Mr. Jomar Manay. Our approachable computer teacher, Mr. Erwin Mahinay. Our efficient student activity coordinator, Ms. Ruby Analances. Our trustworthy prefect of discipline, CAD Commander, Mr. Ramon Magdalena. Our friendly librarian, Ms. Isaiah Gonzalez. Our devoted accounting staff, Ms. Chaname Rufo. Our versatile estate secretary, Ms. Renalyn Zeta. Our compassionate and organized academic coordinator, Ms. Elcita Obilena. Our guidance advocate, Pastor Edgar Layanguna. Our Vice President for Sports, Mr. Vin Jasper Vina. Our ever gorgeous and clever Vice President for Records, Ms. Paige Joyce Denise V. Layanguna. Our trustworthy Vice President for Finance, Mr. Vince Joshua Vina. The ever-patient, supportive, and loving advisors of the graduates. Our simple, grateful, now estate advisor, Mr. Ismael Pio Quinto. Our adaptable, grateful Hebrews estate advisor, Mr. Leonor Barden. Our selfless, grateful Hosea estate advisor, Ms. Cristina Abad. Our resourceful, grateful Hebrews Last Day advisor, Mr. Daniel Osorio. Our hospitable, grateful now Last Day advisor, Ms. Eunice Duarte. And our warm-hearted and eager, grateful Hosea Last Day advisor, Ms. Lordenisa Peralta. Our hard-working and dedicated And I am your resourceful and generous grade 11 Manatay advisor, Ms. Lady Silva. Graduates, please rise. On stage, the advisors of the graduates to help in giving the certificates, graduation stoles, and special awards to the deserving students from ICE, F&B, GAS, Piano, J. Cardenio, Bago Maasahan Awardee, Loyalty Awardee. Carl Ashton L. Mahusay with honors. Gabriel R. Maninas with honors. Prince Atlantis B. Pereira, Loyalty Awardee with honors. James Adrian M. Salaga, Loyalty Awardee with honors. Marie C. Agento with honors. Sophia Ann Lorraine D. Antonini, Special Loyalty Awardee with honors.
And yun na nga. So 4:08 PM. Palabas na rin ako motor call. Naiwan doon si Darren tsaka si Maying kasi rave. Kinuhaan ko lang ng video. Pinahin ko lang kay Darren yung aking salamin. Ay, palabas na rin ng event. Palabas na rin ito paano. Kaya pa ako nilalamig doon sa loob eh. Medyo lang ako, gutom na. Nuno yung aking lalamunan kahit malamig. Kahapon ganun din, nakahalo tuyo, sobrang init. So advance happy birthday kay mama para bukas. Yun.